Good morning, and thank you for tuning into another edition of the pre-market PulseScan, live with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, and I'm running late. So, I do apologize for that, but as you can see here, I did take a snapshot of the pre-market, but I'm just going to show you real quick. Dow's down 153 points at 29,368. It was low as 29,245 and bounced back. Nasdaq's down 75 at 95.49 and a quarter. S&P 500 is down 18 at 33.62 and a half. Russell is down 8.8 at 1681 even. Bitcoin down 105 at 10,420. We were as low as 10,160. All right, and its high was 10,670. Nat gas up a penny at 185. Crude oil up 27 cents at $51.47 a barrel. And your long bond is up 3/32 at 161 and a quarter. Gold up $6.70 at 1573.30. Sorry, 1578.30. Silver is up 19 cents at 1769. The US dollar is in the 99 handle now. We're at 99.01, down 3 pips. The euro is off 16 pips at 108.73. Soybeans is up 3 1/4 at 8.95 3/4, and corn down 2 at 3.81. As far as possible 2-bar Charlie setups, we really don't have any to speak of that I can see, even though I'm running behind schedule. But nope, no 2BCs to speak of this morning. So we didn't miss anything there. So I didn't really have to worry about taking a snapshot now, did I? All right, so let's see here. I know the cryptos are doing their thing. Let me just show you. I don't think I covered this last night, so let me just show you a couple of things real quick. Let's see. We'll start off. Yeah, we did do Bitcoin, but we didn't do Ethereum, and we didn't look at Litecoin. So let me just show you how those two have been faring as opposed to the Bitcoin, just real quick, and then we'll get into some market information that's going on. All right, so just click out of that, go here. All right, let's blow this up. All right, so the first one that we're looking at here is the Litecoin, and as you can see, it's coming off of a rally alert 2 days ago. So the market's moving in that upward trajectory at the moment with the bullish weekly momentum. So I am seeing that one go higher. I know 85 is the next initial target, between 85 and 90. So it's really pushing to make that happen. So if you're long, remember to put those stops in and control your open positions accordingly. All right, taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has an even more powerful upward trajectory. Right now, it's headed toward 300. I think it wants to get back toward 300. You're coming off of a positive momentum alert yesterday. Market's breaking out today. The last alert that we got a negative momentum alert 2 days ago, and there was no follow-up. The bulls came in and bid the market up, which was good, because the prior alert was a bullish one as well. So the markets are beginning to do what they do, which is good. You're starting an upward trend now, and that trend line, you see the long-term support starting to turn and slope upward, along with the Kumo clouds. That gives further credence to the initial breakout. So I think this is here to last and here to stay for a while. So the alts usually will take off in tandem with the Bitcoin, but here's something weird that I did, that I have to show you just real quick. Let's look at the Bitcoin again so I can compare it for you. All right, if you notice something here, Bitcoin is not as powerful slope-wise as the altcoins, but nevertheless, you had the positive momentum followed by that primary crash alert. So I expected the market to push higher, but around the 10,500 mark is where your initial resistance is. So I expected a pullback and then a basing out sideways action followed by another upward thrust for the Bitcoin. So the altcoins right now are showing a lot more power than Bitcoin. All right, someone wants to see XRP. Give me a second and we will see. All right, XRP. Actually, let me get out of the screen. Let's go to where do I want to go? Ah, here it is. All right, these are our top repositories as far as the coins go. So here's XRP. As you can see, XRP looking just like Litecoin and the other ones, and Ethereum pushing higher, coming off of this positive momentum alert from 2 days ago. And then here we are pushing higher. The initial target I have on this one is going to be around 315 to, about 315, 320 is the initial target up on this one. We'll see how much further it can get. We were at 302.71 at the time of the report. So you got your a lot of buying coming in on this one as well. You're starting to see upward slopage of the trend line support and the Kumo cloud, which is good. That's going to help this to get more liftoff. So far, this arch, though, is not as strong as Ethereum. So, it's more so moving like Bitcoin is moving. So I'm expecting this one to follow more closely with Bitcoin. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, here's NEO. As you can see, NEO is really pushing. It's looking more like the Ethereum and the Litecoin. You have more momentum. You had a positive momentum alert last night. A few days ago, you had another one, followed by another one, followed by two back-to-back primary rally alerts. So this one has much further to go. I think we're going to get into between the probably around 20 on this one. We should get to 20. So this one's looking good too. And as far as your Litecoin, here's that Litecoin. See, more upward thrust than Bitcoin. See how these altcoins are just really starting to push higher, and you're getting these back-to-back. You have a triple primary rally alert. Each one will follow through. Each one is getting follow through. So you can't ignore that. You have to take that and do with it what you got to do. These alerts are pretty powerful. So the market is breaking out. And I think this one is going to definitely take out 85 and probably get back up to 100. I don't see why that's out of the question. Not with the strength of this bull run right now. All right, and then here's your Ethereum. I think we'd already looked at this, but I'll just show it again for anyone who missed it. Ethereum is the most powerful one as far as the upward thrust is going. It wants to get back above 300, so I think that's what we're going with Ethereum. All right, and here's Dash. Now, Dash is interesting because we're coming off of the correction from the previous breakout high here, which is a bullish pointer. And like I've always taught you, the market's coming to take out that pointer. So this one's the initial target is 150 on Dash. And we have back-to-back positive momentum readings. The negative momentum readings, this one played out. This one really didn't. I mean, it did, but the market was immediately bid back up again. So these tertiary alerts or momentum readings, they just pick up, buying and selling in the market and warn, where the market may be biased at the moment. And right now, this one's definitely to the upside. So definitely have your stops in place on these, because you just never know when the market's going to run out of steam. All right, now here's your Bitcoin Cash. Again, now this has more upward trajectory than even Bitcoin, but just slightly. All right, not as powerful as the other ones, but it's moving more so like a Bitcoin. I say the initial target on this one is 500 if it can get to it. So, you know, do with that as you will, but definitely have your stops in place. You don't want to turn your winning trades into losing trades. All right, so that should do it on the altcoins. I don't have anything else to add on that one, but we're still in the lab cooking up some stuff for you guys. So definitely stay alert. If you haven't already, go to pulsewavetrading.com so you can sign up for that free account so you can be kept up to breast of things as they come alert. I don't always have time to break things first on social media. So if you sign up at PulseWaveTrading.com, you'll be kept abreast of what's going on at the moment that's going on. All right. And with that being said, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already, you never know who the videos may help or encourage. I am still holding my long in the NASDAQ 100 futures. The markets are a little down this morning, but it's not really substantial or significant. They'll probably try to blame it on you know, the coronavirus fear starting to kick back up again. I think that's nonsense. If it was really coronavirus fear, the Dow would be down a lot more than it is now, a lot more. So we'll see what happens. Depending on how the price action works today, could get a sell signal tomorrow. I could end up getting out of it, but as of right now, I'm chilling. I'm not really concerned about it. I still have a revenge ticket working and Wells Fargo, and nothing's happened yet. I'm just being more conservative with the biding my time on that one. You know, for the most part, stocks are holding up. Just this little minor pullback isn't all that. It's not all it's cracked up to be. So with that being said, I'll see you guys back here this evening with the end of day report. I'm going to try to do the end of day report earlier. See if I can get it knocked out between 7:30 this evening. That'll be great. I know it's scheduled for 9, but I do have a prior engagement this evening, so got to smash it out as soon as possible. So be on the lookout for that. And with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.